So this will be the koi pond here. It has a water features right over there, and that's the main door and the parking lot that you can park up to 6 cars, and that is the going to the first bedroom, second bedroom, and the main bedroom. And this is the 2 bedrooms for the guest bedrooms that has, this is the first guest bedroom and this is the other first guest bedroom. So we will just check this one, and we have here like the storage room, and you also have here the shower and the CR. So this is a twin bedroom. You have twin guest bedrooms. It's the same. This. So this is the foyer, and you have the accessories there, the drawers, and this is going to the swimming pool and the kitchen, the main kitchen, since we have like 3 kitchens in this room, in this house. And let's check the main entrance. So you have a garden here, and you have a storage room there. This is the entrance of the house, and this can park up to 6 cars, including the outside. You can park additional 2 cars outside. So this is the facade of the house. This house is located here in Maria Luisa in Banilad, Cebu City. So this is the facade of the house. Let's go to the main bedroom of the house. First bedroom. Can I have one? Second bedroom. And this is the main bedroom. main bedroom with balcony, and you can see right over here below is the swimming pool. And those are your views, neighborhoods, and the mountains. Let's check the main bedroom, toilet, and bathroom. So this is the toilet and bathroom of the closet of the master's bedroom. The showers, toilets, and you have the sauna, toilet, and bathtub. And shower, and the sauna. Here's the sauna. And this is the bathroom area. And we have here the entertainment room of the master's bedroom. This is the regular bathroom with toilet and bathroom. let's go to the another level of the house. And you have this intricate details of the wall design. So there's a little bit of noise. Actually, it's a real noise because everything the cabinetry is making here inside. So that's why there's a noise, a grinder grinding those cabinets. Let's try to go down. I think here is the access. Let's go. It's the kitchen. So that's the kitchen, that's the swimming pool area, and that's the guest rooms, 2 guest rooms, and there are 2 bedrooms over there, and the master's bedroom, and this is going to the living area or the entertaining area. Let's go. So Palika Militia is making here, that's why it's very noisy. It's another bedroom here. Bedroom with balcony and toilet and bathroom. So this is the 6th bedroom that we check. On the upper floor or the 2nd floor of the house, there are 3 bedrooms. The 1st and 2nd regular bedrooms, both with toilet and bathroom, and the master's bedroom with toilet and bathroom, entertainment room, and balcony. And on the ground floor, we have 2 guest rooms, and this is on the 1st floor under the ground floor. This is the 1st bedroom here. So this is the 6th bedroom that we check. And this is going to the pool facilities. right above is the swimming pool. So we can check here the pool pumps. So at the back is the swimming pool right here. We can check the pool there. And so far we have checked the main kitchen, because we have another 2 kitchens that we can check. And we also check the guest rooms, the 2 guest rooms, and the 1 main bedroom, and the 2 regular rooms. So let's go another level. So let's go. This is going to the garage. So this is the 3rd level of the house. That is going to the garage. That is going to the 6th bedroom. And this is going to the 4th level of the house. Let's check. So this level supposedly is the level for the maid's room and the driver's room, and then they have their own kitchen area over here. So that is going to the 3rd level of the house, and then after the 3rd level is the 3rd level below, I mean 1st level below the ground, and then after that is the ground floor, which you can see the kitchen. So the tank is down there. So this is the 2nd kitchen that we can check in this house. So this kitchen is like the dirty kitchen, and in this floor level, this is the floor level for the maids and the helpers quarter, the drivers. And this is the stock room or the pantry for your stocks, groceries. And this is the dirty kitchen. And this area here, this is closed. This is dead end. So it's like the open area. And let's check the maid's room and the driver's room. So this is the maid's room, and they have their own shower, and here shower, and this is the driver room here. And let's go to the, currently we are at the 4th level of the house. So there is another level. That level is intended for the, like if you have guests, so this level is intended for them, for your guests, like you have family guests. So if they want to have their own privacy, so this house can offer a private privacy for your guests, family guests. So this is the connection here, going to the 4th level here. So I just want to point out, so that is going to the 3rd level of the house, which is the entertainment area and the pool, the swimming pool facilities. and this level is the maid, and for the driver they have their own kitchen. And this one here is the level for the guest, if you have family guests. So we can check here the family guest area. So this is they have their own area, entertainment area, and they have their own kitchen. Hi sir, may hapon. Video. So this is the entertainment area for your guest level. We are still at the 4th level of the house. So the 5th level is there below, and then we have stairs there connecting to the 5th level. So we will go there. Agis ako siya. Salamat. So this level is intended for your family guest. If you want to entertain a family, you have a family guest, then they can use this level because they have their own privacy here. So this is what it looks like here. So they have kitchen, and they have here so this is the bedroom of the family level house or the guest house. So they have their big bedroom, and they have their own balcony, they have their own living room, and they have their own family area, and then they have their own kitchen here. If you notice this house, the workers now are doing the general remodification of the house. So this is an old house, not an old, but it's remodeled to make it new. And this is the last level of the house. So if we're going to sum up, we have 5 levels of structures in this property. The second level from the ground is the area where we can find the 2 regular rooms with own toilet and bathroom, and we can find there also the master's bedroom that has private sauna and balcony and walk-in closet. And on the ground floor we can find there the kitchen, the main kitchen, and the 2 guest rooms with own toilet and bathroom, and the swimming pool, and the water features from the side, and the 6 car garage, covered car garage. And below from the ground floor is the entertainment room. We can find there also another 2 rooms and the facilities for the swimming pools. And below from that level is the level for the maid's room and the the maid's room and the driver's room. They have their own kitchen there, and below that is the level for this guest room. I know it can consider a private guest level house. So in total we have 3 kitchens. We have 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. We have total like 8 bedrooms plus the maid's room and the driver's room. And we have swimming pools. And this is connected to the going to the up, this one, this door. So we will not go there because it's still an ongoing works. That's going to the driver's room. So this is a total privacy for your guest. So I think this is my, because from the start that this house was starting to remodify, I come here often. So this is my latest visit in this property. This is my latest video, and this is what it looks like now. Before, I remember this is really bad because it's damaged, but now look at this. So I will put all the complete details in the box. Thank you very much.